Hello everyone, welcome to New Roots Hair Transplant Clinic. Today I'm gonna show you the case. It's just a 7-month-old case, okay, and I have transplanted a hairline, okay, and he got a very good natural result. He gonna share his experience, the journey of the hair transplant, his experience with the New Root Clinic, and his life-changing moment with after he's getting a good result. How are you?
Hi sir,
Hello.
I'm fine.
How are you?
I'm fine sir, thank
Okay.
you. How are you?
I'm very good. Okay.
Great.
So tell me about your hair transplant. How are you feeling after getting a result?
Yeah, obviously as everyone will expect, obviously I'm feeling very confident. See, my hairline has been completely restored and I'm feeling very confident now. Wherever I go, people say, hey, you have changed a lot and you are looking very handsome. So that gives me a confidence. So that's what is giving me the New Roots. You know, New Roots has given me this life. Yeah.
So you got a life-changing moment. So throughout your journey, from the day you came here for the OPD and the today, you got the complete result.
Yes.
So how was it? Like throughout the journey, ups and downs of the hair transplant, and how was it?
Yeah, it was quite difficult for me to search the clinic actually. I did some research. I saw many clinics actually, and then I finally decided to go with the New Roots. And nearest branch to me was Nagpur branch. So I came here and consulted actually, and the doctor already suggested me that 2500 grafts will be required. So on the day of surgery, I was a little bit stressed, but doctor gave me confidence that it will be all okay, and actually it was all okay. And that surgery took hardly 6 to 7 hours. Hardly the anesthesia pain was there and nothing at all. It's very what to say, it's very easy and no fear to at all. Don't need to fear actually. And then when I came to my home, my parents were worried actually, but I told them that it's just a cosmetic surgery and nothing's gonna happen to me, and they were all okay. I continued the medicines, and today you can see these are the results actually. So all credit goes to New Roots and the sir.
You notice your hair on 7th day, a teeny tiny hair. How was that experience? Experience your hairline. You got a hairline back on the 7th day just after the surgery.
Yeah, it was quite what to say, surprising to me, because I never expected myself to be in that position, like the new hairline to me, and I was so happy seeing those grafts coming out. When people, I'm 25 years old actually, and a few of my friends, they are also, you know, they are having their hairlines is actually receding. So whenever they go to some tourism, or they go to talk to girls, they feel shy. And you know, after getting these hairlines, I'm feeling confident. You know,
Yes,
I can
yes,
go anywhere
yes.
and talk to. So
Yes.
that's what the life-changing moment for me.
All this point and this point of interest, it focused toward baldness, and then this guy become depressed.
Correct.
And then
That's
they,
right.
they don't talk to any friends, the friends become less, even the friends are sometimes bully.
Right.
So this thing happens. Many of my patients, they tell me, once I got a baldness, my friends are telling me something and they are not entertaining me. They tell me ki you look old in the group. This thing happens. So you face this kind of thing?
Actually, somewhat I have faced. I was looking quite older as of my age,
Okay.
but after getting the hairline, yes, everybody told me that you are looking quite younger, and hopefully I'll be marrying after 2 to 3 years, so it won't be difficult for me to find a girl.
Yes, yes.
Nowadays,
yes.
everything is about look.
Looks are very important.
Yeah, looks are important. Obviously, it's the essential part of the life. So hopefully I'll get a girl.
You'll get a definitely good girl because you are a very good guy.
Yeah, thank
Overall,
you.
okay,
thank
you are a
you.
very nice fellow. So first time when you notice your hair, like the natural result, 100% natural. How was it? Your experience, your family experience, friends and everyone, how they like reacted to this thing? Like, are these a natural hair or transplant? They notice this thing.
Yeah, like I said, I first of all I was very happy, and when my parents started to notice it, they said, "Oh, Anand, your hairline is growing." So I said, "Yeah, these are the new hairs." So they were very happy. And when I went outside after 2 to 3 months, my friends looked, "Hey, you are looking quite younger, man. What you did?" So
You told them,
yeah,
like-
no, I didn't tell. But few of my friends notice, okay, you must have done something, some medications or something. I told them, yeah, I have took some medications and the hair started growing, and these are my results. They said, oh, it's great, man. And they also consulted with me that if they face some issues with the receding hairs or something, they are going to consult with me. And
Definitely
I will
we will be
refer to
taking
the
care
new
of
roots.
everyone. Okay. So those people who are suffering from the same problem, what will you suggest them?
I would like to tell them that if you are suffering with the same issue and you are very depressed that your hairline has completely gone out and you have no hair, and I have recently read one article that if you are bald, if you go to interview, some of the people are rejecting just because you look older as compared to your age.
Yes,
So
yes.
that's my point. If you are really want to do this, if you want to really get back to your confident phase of life, please get it transplanted. It's completely natural. It's completely, what to say, it's very easy process, and it won't cost you that much fortune, and you can obviously come to the New Roots, and sir is always there for you.
It was a very nice talking to you. You gave me very good word, and I'm very happy that you got a result. Okay, thank you for your words. It was very nice talking to you, and we'll be in the touch. Okay,
Sure, sir. Thank
I'll
you.
be
Thanks
taking
a lot.
off your hair. Don't worry. Okay.
Yeah,
Yes,
thank
yes,
you.
yeah.
Thank you.